Before we get into some examples of the word problems, let's talk about what it means to be a consecutive integer. Those are numbers like 2, 3, 4, 20, 21, 22, 1,000, 1,001, 1,002. Consecutive integers are numbers that come one after another. So for all of these problems, we're going to have to create an equation dealing with consecutive integers. So if this is our first integer, how do we come up with the next one? Well, it's just one more number. How do we come up with the next consecutive integer? We add 1 to this, n plus 1 plus 1. How do we come up with the next one? Add 1 to this, n plus 2 plus 1. So consecutive integers are numbers one after the other. We just add 1 to the previous number to get the next number. So this would be how you would represent it in math. What about consecutive odd integers or consecutive even integers? Even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. It's the same exact idea as consecutive integers, but if it's even or odd, instead of us adding 1 to get to the next number, we have to add 2. So now if I want to get to the next number from here, add 2 to that. N plus 2 plus 2. N plus 4 plus 2. So consecutive integers, you add 1. Consecutive even or consecutive odd integers, you add 2. Let's do some examples. Two consecutive integers have a sum of 197. Find the integers. So first number plus the second number needs to equal 197. All right, these are consecutive integers. It doesn't matter which one I call n. I like to just start with the first one being n. Okay, so if it's n, that means the next one, these are just normal consecutive integers, not even or odd. This is my first number, this is my second number. And now this is a basic linear equation, solve for n. The parentheses aren't really important here because I don't have any number to distribute and I don't have a squared or a cubed or any power. I wrote them there just to be clear what was the first number and what was the second number. So to solve this, I'm going to combine like terms on the left-hand side. Subtract 1 and then divide by 2. Okay, I need to know both integers though, so I can't just stop here. So if n, my first number is 98, the consecutive number immediately after it would be 99. All right, let's do another example. Three consecutive odd integers have a sum of 27. Find the integers. So my first number plus my second number plus my third number, I have three numbers and they're odd, equal to 27. So my first number, if these are consecutive odd integers, that means I need to add 2 to get to the next number. And I need to add 2 to that, so 2 plus 2, to get my third number. Now we're just solving for n. Combine like terms on the left-hand side. Those parentheses aren't important because I don't have any number in front of them to distribute and I don't have a power. And now solve for n. So subtract your 6, divide by 3. All right, I need to know all three numbers though, not just the first one. So consecutive odd integers, add 2. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2. And you can always double check, make sure when you add these three numbers together you get 27. Make sure in the last example if you add those two together you get 197.